He is, I had never complained. Do I ever complain? He's one of the most, I'm not saying this because I'm on camera and it's you guys here. He is one of the easiest people to work with ever. You know, I have several good customers like him, but you know, he knows what he's doing, first of all. You know, he knows when he wants to do it. And, you know, and they do it. They get it out. You know, most of these guys can't unload a truck. What he does with stuff especially when the girls are wheeling the concrete and stuff, and I'm like to myself, I got contractors that they pull up and they can dump it out of the truck and can't get it out of the truck as fast as these girls can wheel it into the backyard. And I'm like, are you kidding me? You know, I tell these guys all the time when these guys are holding up my trucks, wheeling the concrete, doing a patio or something back, I says, hey, go over see Al. See if you can hire a couple of his girls to wheel your concrete for him, will you please? Because the people you got, they don't have a clue, right? They don't have a clue. So.